Strategies for problem solving. Imagine that you've told two of your friends you're going to the grocery store, and they said to you,
क्या तुम मेरे लिए एक डबल रोटी और कुल्फी ला सकते हो?
Non va bene.
You've got a few options here. You can try to guess what they've asked you to do. Perhaps they want you to pick something up for them. You can buy what you know is their favorite snack foods and hope you're right. You can look around and see if there are any clues about what they said from the context of the room. You can guess continually about what was said, or you can pause before moving forward and make sure you understand what they have actually said to you. Too often with mathematics, students try to find the answer to a math problem without truly understanding what they've been asked to do and what information they have been given to help them with the task. Ideally, students should draw on their background knowledge to help them understand the question. To relate it to this grocery store example, you would understand the language. If you don't have that background knowledge, then you need to do a bit of work first. In the case of our example, you would need to use a dictionary to help you translate words, or use gestures, or better yet, ask your friends to repeat themselves, this time in English. In the case of a math problem, you can look up words you don't understand, or even ask your teacher about the context of the problem. If the question calls upon cultural or experiential knowledge that is commonplace for most students, but you don't have that knowledge, and the reason isn't because you didn't work through assigned practice questions, then asking questions about the context is fair. Additionally, you can use some of the following strategies. Using diagrams or sketches, charts, graphs, or smaller, simpler examples are some strategies that help you to deconstruct and understand the information in a math question. This background knowledge is very helpful. There are some key words that if you understand them, you'll know much better what to do. For example, if you see the words sum, altogether, all, in all, together, total, total number, or add, those are all hints that you're going to be adding some terms together. If you see the words minus, greater than, more than, take away, fewer than, less than, or how many more, how many left, how many less, subtract, difference is left. Those are all key words and phrases that let you know that subtraction is taking place. If you see the words product, multiply, multiplied by, or times, you should know that you're doing some multiplication with that question. The words quotient, dividend, divide, divided by, each, per, average, divide equally are words that mean you're dividing with your word problem. And finally, if you see the words the same, equals, the same as, is equal to, or equivalent, that is indicating that things are equal. Other helpful words include consecutive. Consecutive means in a row. Odd means odd numbers, as in 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Even is even numbers, as in 2, 4, 6, 8. Remember, when tackling word problems, you want to take the time to understand what the question is about and to figure out what exactly you're being asked to find. In the end, taking a little bit of extra time at the beginning to fully understand what is going on will more often than not save you time.